Hey everyone, this is from AS and A Level Business Cambridge Tutorials. This is your A Level bestie teaching you AS and A Level Business. So, starting off with our units, we have 5 units, mainly business and its environment, human resource management, marketing, operations management, and finance and accounting. So in these, you can clearly understand the difference between AS level and A level chapters. They are clearly mentioned with this brackets. So for your total overall grade, your AS level score and your A level score both are combined, and AS level weighs 50% of your total score and A level weighs 50% of your total grade. Right? AS level is calculated, the grade is calculated from paper 1 and paper 2. And A level score is calculated from paper 3 and paper 4. All of these combined, we get the total grade. Now, starting with this, once we've understood that, we also have four skills that they assess you with. First one is knowledge and understanding. This is basically all the definitions and remembering their definitions with the keywords. This is knowledge and understanding. The second part is application. That is basically examples. Only for paper 1 you get real world examples, whereas for paper 2, 3 and paper 4, all these you give the examples from the case study. But you don't want to directly quote sentences from the case study. That's wrong. Don't quote the full sentences. What you should do is quote only small parts of the case study that are relevant to you. The small parts that are relevant to you. This way, it helps the examiner understand that you've understood which is the main part of the case study to focus on and that you have fulfilled their application skill. Third is analysis. Analysis is all about cause, impact, and consequence. So basically, cause is all about asking why. So we start a question with first the definition, then we give an example, and then we explain why we take that decision, and then what does it lead to. Impact is always about what does it lead to in a business. So in a business, does it increase the sales? Does it increase customer satisfaction? Does it increase customer satisfaction, or does it cause a problem with the employees, or are they not satisfied with this thing? Does it improve the employee morale or the employee welfare? And the consequences are about the impact on the stakeholders. So first, cause is all about why we took that decision or why that particular thing is the reason. Impact is all about what it leads to in a business, whereas consequence is opposite. It leads to something consequence, but it's outside the business. It's on stakeholders. Now, who are these stakeholders? They are not to be confused with shareholders. Shareholders are people who have a certain share, they own a certain share in a company, whereas stakeholders are internal and external. External ones include customers, bank loans, banks, customers, government. All these people are impacted by any decision the business makes. Whereas internal ones are owners, managers, and employees. These are internal stakeholders. So the cause is all about why, and impact is about what it leads to inside a business, what impact it has. So overall, what does it do? Does it increase the profit or reduce the profit? And does it increase the reputation of the business or decrease the reputation of the business? And consequence is all about the impact it has on stakeholders. Internal ones, owners, managers, and employees, or external ones, bank, customers, and government. And last final skill is evaluation. Evaluation is all about finding a limitation in your analysis. That is basically saying that your analysis may be proven correct, but it depends on other factors as well. Like if you are, it depends on, so for example, if a business increases their price, all right, they increase their price, all right. So analysis would be, why would they increase their price? So that if they increase their price of their goods, they can finance this money, they can add the extra money to their future goals, right? What does it lead to an impact on the business? The business can save more money, right? This is a very simple example. Business can save more money. But the stakeholders, as in external stakeholders, how will the customers react? The customers, if the price increase is very little, from $2, it is going up to only $4. If it's very little, then they might not react very badly. They might react, it might be okay, they might still buy the same amount of quantity. But this all depends on consumers' income being the same, or the consumer income increases or remains same. Now, if the consumer's income decreases, or if the consumer income decreases, then this entire analysis might not work out. That is why we have evaluation, which tells us what the analysis depends on. Its limitation, basically. All right. You have these sample answers in your textbook. This is for an 8 mark. And this is for your 12 marker. So read these examples and try to understand how they applied knowledge and understanding, application, analysis, and evaluation. But in 8 markers, there's only knowledge and understanding and application and analysis. Whereas in a 12 marker, you have knowledge and understanding, application, analysis, and also evaluation, right? For now, you have to be able to understand this. But there's a key difference in this. Now, in AS level, what skills are you tested on? You tested on all 4 in all these things. But in AS level, the main focus is on knowledge and understanding and application. So in AS level, learn or memorize all the meanings, especially the keywords, and try to write them in your own words, but include the keywords in every meaning. And A level mainly focuses on analysis and evaluation. You will have knowledge and understanding, application, analysis, and evaluation, all of these in AS level as well. But the main focus will be on knowledge and understanding and application. All right. So let's start with the first unit and the first chapter.